can it dissolve all the metals?
हाँ, it can dissolve highly unreactive metals like gold and platinum.
Yes, ma'am. The thing is that I gave the answer as option B because it's both are concentrated, but in the answer key it's given option C as the wrong statement.
No. That's some
Ma'am,
mistake.
because even when I searched it, right, it's that it can't dissolve all the metals, but then it's also made up of one part of concentrated nitric acid.
Exactly. Even in that respect, you can say two statements are incorrect then.
Yes, ma'am.
Correct. Agree with you.
Okay, ma'am.
But it is made up of concentrated nitric acid and concentrated
another question which I wanted to ask is that can platinum dissolve in HNO3 or H2SO4 individually?
No.
Any other acid? Only
no.
Regia can dissolve it.
Aqua regia can dissolve. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Chalo guys, so we will be binding up the session. Whatever doubts you have other than this, we can discuss it in the next session because I do have a session after this as well. Okay?
Okay, and thank you.
Chalo. Bye-bye guys. Good night.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Bye guys.
Bye, ma'am.
Ma'am, I just had one doubt. Could you just
Quickly.
Ma'am, there is this lead nitrate plus potassium iodide gives so it's a double displacement reaction, right?
Correct. Or precipitation reaction. You can say that.
Yellow precipitation.
Can we also say it as a redox reaction?
No. Nothing is getting oxidized or reduced in that. You can't say that.
In terms of electrons?
No, nothing is getting no transfer of electrons is occurring, bacha. It's not only about hydrogen and oxygen.
Oh, ma'am, but in the options, double displacement was also not given. So displacement was given. So should we choose that?
If that is a more appropriate one, you can choose that. But it's definitely not a redox. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Bye.
Bye,
Have a nice day.
Thank you, ma'am.
You too, bacha. Bye-bye. All the best.
So, next class you do more research income. So I did the research. So then, ma'am, it's called a gout. It's a painful form of inflammatory arthritis that's usually affects the big toe, but can develop in any joint. It forms when your body has high levels of uric acid. This acid forms sharp crystals that cause sudden bouts of pain, swelling, and tenderness. Ma'am, from where does the uric acid come from? It has to be a waste product of some reaction, right?
It's not a waste product of multiple reactions. Uric acid is basically formed in your kidneys and your liver.
Good evening.
Manish. Hi,
human beings are human beings.
Listen, I'll tell you. Let me complete, okay? Good evening. How it goes by is, first of all, acid is formed in there where I've told you, liver and kidney. Then kidney doesn't filter out it properly, and then it goes back and it is reabsorbed, or it remains into the blood. Then it goes to the entire body, and there it starts forming the crystal instead of being produced there. It gets deposited there because of incompetency of kidney to filter it out. Clear?
Okay.
Is that clear, bacha?
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, he said yes. Okay. All right.
Ma'am, I have a doubt for my pre-board.
Go ahead.
Ma'am, the question is, human RBCs contain which of the following elements? Option A, iron. Option B, oxygen. Option C, either A and B. Option D, both A and B.
And which one's correct?
I got both A and B correct. I just choose that option.
It was iron and oxygen, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's fine. What is your doubt in there?
Ma'am, so the iron will be in the hemoglobin, right?
One person at a time. Who's there?
Ma'am, can I just I have a doubt. It's like RBC is iron is inside RBC, and RBC helps in oxygen, transport. So what is inside RBC? That means it should only be iron, right?
Hemoglobin.
Not necessary. Sometimes the questions are situational, as in what usually the RBC could be having. And carbon dioxide is not uptaken by the RBC. Only 7% of carbon dioxide is transported back to the respiratory organs by the RBC. Otherwise, the rest of the carbon dioxide, it goes by, please mute yourself, it goes by in the dissolved form as carbonic acid through blood. Okay. So usually the RBCs could be having the oxygen and iron because iron helps in the binding with the oxygen and it is carried. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Right.
Ma'am, I have
Yes,
one more
Shinani.
doubt of assertion reason.
Give me a second. Ma'am, but aren't human beings ureotelic? So how is the uric acid even generated? It is not generated. It basically is, let's say, converted. It converts into that form over time. There's a lot of cascade reactions involved. You learn it into your masters or when you'll be doing the specialty. Nutrients too. Why would RBC contain nutrients? No, it doesn't. Nutrients are dissolved in the blood. What is the main component of kidney filtrate? Is it urea or uric acid? We are ureotalic organisms, Tirumala. Yes, Bacha, Shubh, what was your doubt?
The assertion is bile juice is essential for digestion of lipids, and reason is bile juice contains enzymes.
Assertion is correct, reason is wrong. Bile juice does not contain any enzyme at all. Bile juice just helps in the breaking down of the fat molecules, that's all.
Okay.
Classification of fat.
Ma'am, bile juice is not an acid, right?
No, it's not an acid. It's
Doesn't
alkaline.
It's not an acid, right? Just
No.
like
It's
what?
alkaline in nature.
Okay. Ma'am, how does it help in digestion, ma'am? Bile juice.
First of all, it is going to convert the entire environment into the alkaline or the basic environment, and that is where the enzymes of your small intestine and pancreas are activated, which are then going to work.
Okay.
Now let's get to the respiration. First of all, what all doubts do you have from the respiration?
Ma'am, I have a assertion reason type of doubt.
Go ahead.
Ma'am, the assertion is the left atrium and the left ventricle are completely separated from the right atrium and the right ventricle. The reason is oxygenated and deoxygenated blood never mix with each other inside the heart.
They are separated from each other. Assertion is correct, but the reason is not the correct explanation of the assertion because it is because of the the septum, the wall which is between them.
So, ma'am, like if it would have been opposite, like the reason would be assertion would be reason, then it would have been correct.
I don't. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Then it would have been correct because these don't mix with each other because they are separated completely from each other. Yeah. Asim, I cannot download that. So if you could just ask me that instead. Ma'am, can you please explain how the internal and external intercostal muscles move during the respiration and then exhalation? Sure. What is the role played by the intercostal muscles? The ribs played in the inhalation. Okay. Asim, if you could ask it me, I'll ask it to me verbally.
No, I don't want to ask. It's my teacher gave me for practice, so I want to share with everyone. That's all.
Is it a doubt?
No, ma'am, for practice.
Bro,
It has questions like MCQ.
It's a question paper, ma'am.
Question bank.
Oh, that's so sweet. Thank you. Okay. Now let's get to the intercostal muscles first of all. What is the function of duodenum? To digest the food completely by the release of enzymes. Which two chambers of the heart contract at the same time? The atria and ventricles. Atria are both going to contract at the same time, and ventricles are going to contract at the same time. No, as in both atrium at the same time and then both ventricles at another time, but together. Looking at this diagram is very much important. Inspiration, we have let me start from the very beginning. We have in between the ribs, the intercostal muscles, which are of two types. We have external intercostal muscles and we have internal intercostal muscles. The external intercostal muscles are playing a huge role while the inspiration, that is inhalation. So the internal intercostal muscles, they are going to expand and external intercostal muscles are going to contract and diaphragm is going to contract. that is going to lead to the increased capacity, increased thoracic or lung capacity to inhale maximum air. Then the external intercostal muscles are going to relax and internal intercostal muscles are going to contract, and diaphragm is also going to relax, decreasing the lung or the thoracic capacity and the exhalation or expiration. You can look at the diagram as well. What's the similarity between combustion and respiration? Both are breaking down the substances. Respiration basically helps in taking the oxygen. Oxygen helps in the breaking down of the digested food to produce the energy. And combustion is taking in the oxygen to help in, the fire. And then basically going ahead with breaking down or burning the substances. So that is one thing. Don't write the fire in exam. That's anyway.
Ma'am, can you just tell again for the internal intercostal muscles during inspiration what happens?
Can I explain again?
Yes, ma'am. Can you explain again for internal intercostal muscles
During expiration or inspiration?
during inspiration?
Internal intercostal muscles expand or relax.
Okay, ma'am.
What is the relation between the external and intercostals? They are both helping in changing the inhalation and exhalation capacities, or they're both basically helping in changing the capacities of your thoracic chamber or the lungs. Now, do they have an effect on each other? Yeah, they're both working in a symphony. They're both working in a synchronized manner. If one malfunctions, other alone cannot help in the inhalation or exhalation.
What cavity do we say for the area inside lungs?
Or
we say something like I forgot.
thoracic cavity.
Okay, thoracic. Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, are you into K-pop? Yes, Haruhi. Did you guess that? Fire. I was just listening to that song, so it just came. I listen to all the genres actually. K-pop, pop, country, jazz, all of them. Classical, rags. Shriram, what do you mean by you listen to songs? Do I not look like a person who'd listen to songs? Achinani, I try with you. Do I really look like a person who wouldn't listen to the songs? Really, Shriram?
Just a question, ma'am. Just a question.
Yeah, of course I do. God dang it, boy. I do. Okay, any other doubts about the stomata or the lenticels or the conducting or gas exchange system? Where is ammonia produced in the body? Bro, I think we were past that. Fine. First of all, now what is your favorite musician or singer? Again, I do not have any specific song or singer, musician. It's just the songs and the vibe I get according to the mood. And ammonia could be produced by, well, ammonia is not necessarily produced by our body, but in little amounts, it might be produced by the kidneys or intestines. And then there's muscles, there's liver, of course. And where is it converted in liver? Okay, thanks. Yeah, right. Okay. Any other doubts? Nope. No doubts from you people. If there's no doubt, I'm just straight away going to give you the quiz on the chapter life process.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. You can give us the quiz.
Okay, no problemo. Amazing, you guys are. Okay, who has watched Red Notice?
What?
No one?
Netflix, Gal Gadot and
Yay!
What, ma'am?
the part when they were
No, no,
together.
no, no,
That
no,
was
no, 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 don't give me spoilers. No, no, don't give me
Oh,
spoilers. I'm gonna watch it tonight as well. Yes, Shashi. Right. Okay.
I think you forgot we have boards.
Oh yeah, you have both. Oh, I forgot you were 10th graders. Sorry. Okay, yep.
हम अभी भी बच्चे हैं.
Ma'am, is that the series name? Yes, no?
It's a movie. Ma'am, can you explain the formation of WBC? Shashi, formation of WBC is different for different type of WBC, like the whole thrombocyte thing and all. God. Okay. Really. Ma'am, if there are no doubts, please explain the entire clotting process. I'm afraid that I cannot explain the entire clotting process, Janani, although I told you to text me on WhatsApp so that I could give you the entire process. Yeah. Yes, Asir. Ooh, you like Sasuke? The Sasuke is so edgy and super impulsive.
Ma'am, I had a doubt.
Go ahead.
It's related to lymphs.
Limbs or lymph?
Lymphs.
Yeah, sure. Go ahead.
Ma'am, the question is lymph flows in. First option is intercellular spaces. Second is extracellular spaces. Third is in arteries, or fourth is in veins.
In?
Veins.
Well, lymph flows in the intercellular spaces, and through there it is collected into the lymphatic vessels and then it is put into the veins. What's the answer?
Even I don't know. That's why I asked.
Oh, I
It
thought
came
it
in my
was an
exam.
MCQ.
Yeah, ma'am, it's an MCQ. It came in my exam, but the answers.
Is it intracellular or intercellular?
Yeah, is it intracellular or intercellular? I thought it was intercellular.
Intercellular. Exactly.
But then it's extracellular, man. See, I'll show you. Lymph.
Intercellular means the spaces between the cells, right?
Between the cells, yeah. But then what is extracellular? I think intercellular spaces within the cells. See, this is lymph, this is lymphatic vessels, and this is it is intercellular. Yeah, it should be intercellular. It should be intercellular. Okay. If there's no trickery, that is.
Thank you.
Okay. Wait, somebody was asking me something about why did you name the notebook Chandra Sabis? Because it's a it's the name of a batch. Shishir, you were asking about the blood formation, right? The WBC. So there are like
Yes, ma'am.
multiple types of WBCs. Okay. And you are going to learn about that in 11th grade. But if you must, WBCs are formed into the bone marrow. Okay. Do you remember in 10th grade, Shishir, bone marrow structure, the bone structure that I taught you? And then there were like different type of bone marrows as well, the red and the yellow. Yeah, exactly. So the red bone marrow is where everything is formed. Yellow is the one which stores the fat, and red bone marrow basically produces all the different type of cells with the help of the stem cells that it possesses because of mitosis and then conversion and all stuff. Okay. Specifically though, in 11th. All right.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now let me give you a quiz onto the chapter life processes. And you are, wow, 62 students. Okay. All the good stuff in 11th.
I want to ask a question. Does the lymph contain dead cells? Like, does it contain dead cells? Like, there was an
No. Dead cells are taken up by the WBCs and they are digested then and there.
And because there was a question which of the following statement is incorrect about lymphatic system, and then I think this option was there, so I put this option. I just wanted to confirm this was the correct answer. The other options were like it contains digestive fat, and then it contains WBCs, it contains proteins. Those are the other options. So this is the correct this is the incorrect option, right? That it contains dead blood cells.
Yeah, that's the incorrect one. It does not contain the dead cells.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Ma'am,
Mm-hmm.
ma'am, the spleen is a part of the lymph system and it is the death place of RBCs. If lymph does not contain, yeah. So how are the RBCs gonna reach spleen if it's not gonna be part of the lymph?
I'm sorry. Could you just switch to the normal English because it's a little difficult for me to understand your accent there.
Ma'am, what I'm asking is that the RBCs, for them, the death place is the spleen. So, and here you said that RBCs,
But
the
spleen also has a lot of arteries and veins and not just lymphatic vessels. Okay.
Okay.
Right. So through there it is trapped. Yeah, I know, Parth. Yes, Chinani, ma'am, could you please explain the composition of lymph briefly? Lymph is everything in the blood minus the red blood cells. Yes, Ahyan, he didn't. Okay.
I have one more doubt.
Go ahead, shoot.
The important function of lymph is first option is return RBCs to lymph nodes. Second is return intestinal fluid to blood. Third is carry oxygen. Fourth is carry
I'm
base.
sorry.
And
I'm really sorry. Could you come again?
Sorry, ma'am. I'll start with the question again.
Yeah.
Ma'am, the question is the important function of lymph is, so first option is return RBCs to lymph nodes. Second is return intestinal fluid to blood. Third is carry oxygen. Fourth is carry waste and undigested food.
What was the fourth one? The second one?
Return intestinal fluid to blood.
Yeah, that's one. That one. Yeah.
Thank you.
No
The
worries.
node gives the lacteal lymphatic node.
I'm sorry.
In the small intestine, the lacteal lymph.
Yeah. Yes.
The one which takes the digestive.
Yes. Yes, it is. Okay. So I'm just going to give you about respiratory system first of all. You are in the middle school, right? Not in the high school yet. High school would be 11th and 12th. Yeah. Yes, no. Sure. We don't know, mom. You guys do not know if you guys are in high school or not.
I think we are in high school.
Yes, yes, high school is from 9 to 12.
9 to 12, yes.
Dan, did you see the new trailer for Stranger Things? I did not watch Stranger Things because I think it's a bit overrated. Plus, I squirm when I watch the horror shows. So yeah. I get scared a bit too much. And then I can't sleep for a week. There you go. Same problem. Good for you. Squirm, Monish. SQUIRM. Squirm as in, you know.
100 questions.
Why is that a problem?
Ma'am, should we join?
Is that? Oh no, did I start? Oh, I didn't.
No.
Please send the code, ma'am.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Okay.
There.
100 questions.
Is that a problem? You have half an hour. I think 100 questions are fine. Don't you think? I want all the 63 students here right away. Do not waste your time if you want to finish everything within the provided time slot. There you go. I want all of you here really quick. Come on. Keep popping up. Only 24.
I'm going to just wait a few minutes because my device is having some issues.
Well, Amog, we'll start when everybody is here. So try to be here in time, okay? Okay. Aya, Rasha, Farhan. I'm not able to join because I'm having no internet. Hiba, refresh or switch on the switch off, switch on your restart your Wi-Fi or router again. Thank you, Shub. Is it CBSE based? I'll find out as well. How many questions were there again? Just a few, Samantha. Don't worry about it. You know me.
100.
Okay, so let's not soup into the pot. Next, we'll find out. Yep. Let's hit the essentially. Yep. You like 100 questions? You or 20 questions? You. I love it that you guys know me. Oh, you're so cute. 100 for you. Just a few though. 62 students. I want all of you here. Guys, do not keep me waiting, please. 400 are okay. I just have 48 students here. I cannot let it, yeah. 12 more kids need to be here right away, please. Pretty things. Okay. Okay. 10 more kids. Look, my dude, I will send all the results. So if your name is not here, your parents are going to ask. So, right. What is unsafe name? Who is this with unsafe name? Who is this with unsafe name? I'm asking something. Or I'm literally going to tell everybody's parents. Parents.
Show unsafe name.
I don't know, ma'am.
Shit, yes. I'm sorry, what's that again? Who is it? There.
Ma'am, I think
Nah.
he's trolling. He's trolling.
Yes?
Ma'am, he's just trolling.
Yes, I got up onto that much. Thank you. I still need 6 more kids here because there are 62. Well, daring kid. 5 more kids need to be here. There are 61 students. 5 more kids. Who else is not here? Let me know. Who else is not here? Adil. Who is just me? Tell me right away or I'm just moving.
To refresh, I think 58 students are there now.
हाँ बच्चा. Who is
I
just
think there
me?
are 58 students now. Like on my screen, they're showing that there are.
My screen shows there are 62 participants. So that means there are about 61 students here.
My screen shows 58 actually.
Yes, ma'am. Mine shows
Yes,
58.
It's 58.
Yeah, it's 58. It's 58.
Lavender Snowball, my foot. Who is Lavender Snowball? Who keeps these names? Okay. Good luck, everyone. Make me proud. All right, Asir. You can use mobile data though, okay?
Ma'am, ma'am, I'm like in the game, but ma'am, like in this quiz, but ma'am, like that window is froze. Like I'm not able to type also, nor am I supposed to do it. Like they give me a structure and they said me to write the name of it. I'm unable to, write anything on it.
Refresh it. Did you refresh it?
I'm trying.
Sure, Prasha. Okay, Manish. What is the importance of external respiration? It changes, it exchanges oxygen. Oxygen is absorbed through the skin as it goes down. Yeah, oxygen is absorbed through skin. Why, Laksha? 46. Yeah, I'm looking at the question 46. B. Okay, Lakshya, what is the family reason? You can just tell me in the private chat, or you can ask your parents to text me. I won't allow you to leave the class without your parents' permission. All right. Right. It's okay, Akshita. Sure, Ayan. No, it helps in the production of ATP, but it is not the process of producing ATP. Okay.
Ma'am, I think your rank is not updated in this curriculum.
I'll see to it. There you go. You finished all the 100 questions. All of you, like most of you. Anyway, that'll be all. I'll keep the quiz open. You guys have to finish the quiz at least, okay? So that is all. You guys take care. Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, 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 bye.
Bye, ma'am. Ma'am.
Hmm?
Ma'am, I got 17 streak, ma'am.
Good going, bro. Bye.